What's going on, everybody? Welcome to NLime TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr. And welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you can be notified when I pull out beautiful content. Today, guys, I have a beautiful review for you guys. It's the Yezzy Foam Runner. It is the Cinder MX colorway. But before we begin, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by NLime. NLime, baby. Go follow me on Instagram at NLimeNYC. Check out my website, NLimeNYC.com. Thank you so much. Now let's get into the review. We have the Yezzy Foam Runner box, blank because the artwork is inside. See the artwork foam. Then we have the Foam Runner shoe. Let's just get right into it, guys. A beautiful shoe. Unfortunately, I did not cop for my size. I didn't like it at first, but then you know what? It grew on me. So I'm very happy with it. This shoe has 4 shades of color. It has the baby blue, it has the black, it has the taupe that is like a gray brown, and it has this brown mauvey color. It is that marble effect. This shoe was manufactured in China. I guess, you know, some of the foam runners are made in US and some are in China. These marble ones are made in China. On the bottom, it looks like it's like mud. You know, we have that outsole of the Yezzy. And these, if you guys want to cop these, I recommend going a whole size up. You know, there's a lot of inconsistencies with the Yezzy foam runners. And yeah. Babe, I'm on the way. Bye. Okay, bye. Yeah, like 10. Okay, guys, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so this is the Yezzy Foam Runner. And yeah, guys, is nostalgic to the Yezzy 700, these holes, these bubbles. I love the silhouette of this shoe just because it looks like an alien shoe. These shoes are very comfortable. For me, more comfortable than the actual Yezzy slides because I have a wide foot. These fit well. The only problem that I do have is right here in the ankle for some reason. I don't know if everybody else has that problem. But yeah, guys, this is a very comfortable shoe. As you can see, the details of the shoe, the side of the shoe, the midsole of the shoe, and the top of the shoe. I have to say also that, you know, it's also reminiscent, nostalgic of that camo pattern. You know, at first I really didn't like this marble. Now I do like it, but then I don't like it. You know, I'm weird. I don't know. So these are a size 13, and retail is 90 bucks, but retail's going for about 150 to 200, depending on your sizing. Guys, let me know how you feel about this shoe. I feel like it's one of the best shoes of all time. I believe this is the first time I'm doing a foam runner review. I do own 4 pairs for myself. I haven't been able to review them, but hopefully I will soon. Yeah, guys, let me know how you guys feel. I think it's cool. Okay, my people. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel, and please check me out on Instagram. Check out my clothing brand. I'm really doing some fire stuff, guys, at NLimeNYC, and go cop my merch, NLimeNYC.com. Thank you so much. Until the next one, deuces.